Ready to unlock the full depth of AI potential? Welcome to PromptYES, your go-to source for mastering AI prompting techniques. Today, dive into contextual layering prompting, a method to enrich AI responses. Join me to enhance your PromptYES skills with this powerful tool. At PromptYES, we're dedicated to helping you harness AI creativity. Let's get started. What is contextual layering prompting? Contextual layering prompting builds prompts with multiple layers of context. It adds depth by stacking details like background, purpose, and tone. Think of it as painting a picture with layers for a richer image. This guides the AI to deliver nuanced, detailed outputs. It's like giving the AI a full story to work from. You'll get responses that feel thoughtfully crafted. Why use this technique? It's perfect for tasks requiring deep, multi-dimensional answers. This ensures the AI captures every aspect of your intent. It enhances clarity by providing a complete framework. You can explore complex ideas with ease. It's a must for projects needing rich, layered results. How to use contextual layering prompting. Step 1. Start with the core topic. Set it with, write a story. Step 2. Add a background layer. Include, set in a futuristic city. Step 3. Layer in purpose and tone. Add, focus on hope, use an inspiring tone. Step 4. Finalize with details. Specify, include 3 characters and a plot twist. Where to use contextual layering prompting? With applied examples, this technique shines in projects needing rich context. Use it for education to craft detailed lessons. Example. Topic. Teach history. Background. Ancient Egypt. Purpose. Engage students. Tone. Narrative. Details. Include pharaohs and pyramids. You'll get an immersive lesson plan. Apply it for business to develop strategies. Example. Topic. Marketing plan. Background. Tech startup. Purpose. Attract investors. Tone. Professional. Details. Add budget and timeline. The AI delivers a comprehensive strategy. Use it for creative projects to enhance art. Example. Topic. Design a poster. Background. Eco-friendly event. Purpose. Inspire action. Tone. Bold. Details. Use green hues and slogans. You'll get a vibrant, layered design brief. Real-world examples in action, advanced usage. Let's explore advanced applications. Example 1. Creating a detailed video script. Start with, topic, video script, background, AI technology. Refine with, purpose, educate viewers, tone, enthusiastic. Details. Include 3 segments and visuals. This builds a structured script. Follow up. Add a call to action for PromptYES. You get an engaging, branded video plan. Example 2. Planning a cultural exhibition. Start with, topic, exhibition plan, background, Ethiopian heritage. Refine with, purpose, celebrate diversity. Tone, respectful. Details. Include artifacts and schedule. This creates a rich cultural outline. Then, enhance with visitor feedback ideas. The result is a thoughtful, interactive plan. Benefits of contextual layering prompting. It produces deep, nuanced AI responses. This adds richness to every output. It ensures alignment with your vision. You'll get consistent, detailed results. It's great for creative or analytical tasks. Tips for advanced usage. Begin with a strong core topic. Add layers gradually for clarity. Use specific terms like background or tone. Example. Refine with a cultural twist. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't skip any layer. Avoid overloading with too many details. Don't mix layers without structure. Keep each layer distinct and purposeful. Conclusion. Contextual layering prompting is your tool for deep AI insights. PromptYES is here to guide your AI journey. It's powerful and perfect for any challenge. Subscribe for more techniques. Hit like if you enjoyed this. Share your layering ideas below.